How to close all tabs on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on the bookmark icon. Here, you can view all your bookmarks. Now, go to the history section on the right. You can scroll down to view all your search history over here. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on Clear. From here, you can choose the time frame of the history you want to clear. Go to the additional options sections below and turn on the Close All Tabs option. And then, tap on Clear History. This will clear your browsing history as well as close all the tabs that are currently open in Safari. Alternatively, go back and tap on the tabs icon at the bottom right corner. From here, select Close All Tabs. Tap on Close All Tabs again to confirm. You have now successfully closed on tabs on Safari. Following these steps, you can easily close all tabs on iPhone.